So once I'm in the Schoology app, I want to just enter the course that I'm interested in submitting an assignment for, and then I'm going to navigate to the assignment in that folder. So I'm going to scroll down and find the assignment I'd like to submit for, and when I'm there, I want to move over to the Submissions tab and then tap the plus icon. As you can see down here, I now have a bunch of different options. I'm going to go ahead and click Submit Photo or Video. So as you can see here, all of my photos on my iPhone will populate. I'm going to pick an album where the photo is that I would like to upload, and you will see that come in just a second. Please do note that if it is a photo you have taken recently, you will see it in the Recent section. But I'm just going to pick a panorama that I took recently here. So I'm going to select panoramas, for example, and you will see them populate in just 1 second. So there they are, and what I'm going to do is just pick one of those and then hit the check mark up at the top. And then when I am ready to go and everything looks good, you're going to see that kind of process, and then it will say uploading media. Now be careful not to tap on that icon, that little overlay, when it is there, or else you'll actually cancel your upload. So we're going to just upload that media. And again, be a little bit patient here, but once that process completes, you will see it load, and we're going to jump back to the main view here. And at the top, we have a green banner that says your submission has been added. Woohoo! So that is the process from start to finish. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Take care.